Hi, this is Christina Hills from the Website Creation Workshop, and in this video I want to show you how you would open up a Bluehost website hosting account. So I've got this article, How to Open a Website Hosting Account with Bluehost, and if you scroll down, I'll take you through those steps. So the first thing you want to do is go to christinasresources.com/Bluehost, and that will get you to the Bluehost screen. And then the next thing you want to do is click on the Get Started Now. That's this Get Started Now button here. And then it will take you to a page to select your plan. See in the article down here, step 2, you select your plan. Now, by the time you watch this video, these prices may have changed slightly, but I wouldn't worry about that. You can pick the basic, the plus, or the prime. I usually go for the plus, but the prime is on sale, so I would definitely pick that. So you want to click on select. The reason why I like the plus is that you can have unlimited accounts. So you can have unlimited websites with this. It's only another $2, so it's worthwhile. And hey, as long as it's the same price, I might as well get the more upgraded one. So you'll click on select. And coming back to my article, scrolling down, it will show you in step 3, you can decide if you've got a domain or not. So let me show you that on the Bluehost screen. So if you already have a domain name, maybe you bought it at GoDaddy or some other place, put your domain name in here. If you don't have a domain name, you can put it in here and Bluehost will open one for you. So that's what you do on this step. I generally buy my domain names at GoDaddy, so I put in my domain name here and then I click on Next. Now when you get to the next step, you want to enter your account information and pick a package. So I'll put in christinahills.net and I'll go next. Now at this step you want to put in your name, business name, information. Don't worry, Bluehost keeps this all safe for you. Scrolling back to my article, you'll see this screenshot. And then you want to pick your account plan. So you save more money the more months you pick. And the great thing about Bluehost, if for some reason you need to cancel or stop having your account for whatever reason, they'll prorate it for you. So I recommend picking one of these higher plans. Then Search Engine Jumpstart, you can add that later. Site Lock Security, again, you could pick it now or add it later. That's up to you. Then you want to enter your credit card information. Click that you've read the terms and click Submit. And you'll see that here on the step 5, putting in your payment information. Then once you do that, let me zoom in a little bit. So once you click submit, you've entered your credit card information, then it will ask you to choose a password, which is really easy. You just pick a password and write it down so that you don't lose it. And then congratulations, you are done. You have opened a Bluehost account. And then to log in, you can go to christinasresources.com/Bluehost. I also have another link. These are both my affiliate links, the Best Host Now. And when you come here, then you can click to log in. And it will get you to your login screen and you enter your website name and then that password you saved and you click submit. And then you'll get inside your account and it'll look something like this. And then there's a whole bunch of things you can do inside your Bluehost account. Set up your email, set up your WordPress websites, etc. So if you are ready to get started creating your website and you want to do this Without having to rely on anybody else, go ahead to christinasresources.com/Bluehost, click on the Get Started Now, and create your website. This is Christina Hills.